Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. And today we're here to unbox the REALME 5 Pro, the soon to be released REALME 5 Pro. So it's now time to unbox the REALME 5 Pro. This unit hasn't been released to the market yet. It will be released in the Philippine market sometime October, I guess. It is equipped with a VOOC Flash 3.0 and it has a 48MP quad camera, guys. So this is the Pro version. There is also a REALME 5. Separate naman yung unboxing, no? Its processor is a Snapdragon 712 AI. Let's see what's inside. This one is the 8GB version. 8GB yung processor niya. And the storage is 128GB. The color is sparkling blue. This is designed by REALME, manufactured by REALME, and assembled in China. So when you open the box, this is the first thing that you will see. It says, "Hey, welcome to the REALME family." So you're now part of the millions who trust REALME. And inside is, I love this. You guys know I love this. Meron siyang kasamang clear case. And then also inside is the quick guide and the information guide. The next thing you will see is the unit itself. So let's check the unit. This is REALME. This is powered by Android. So the OS or the operating system is Android. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit of the specs of this unit before we proceed to the other contents of the box. Ito ang color blue. Ganda, diba? Color blue. The screen is 6.3 inches, 1080 by 2340. So it's 1080 by 2340 pixels. The RAM of this specific unit is 8GB, pero meron ding available na 4GB RAM unit. It has 4035 milliamp hours. It is able to connect to LTE and also to 2G and 3G bands. So for the dimensions, 157 by 74.2 by 8.9 mm, 184 grams only. This is a bit lighter than the REALME 5. It has a front glass, plastic body, dual SIM. They're both nano SIMs and dual standby siya, guys. It has capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. So the resolution again, guys, it's 1080 by 2340 pixels, 409 ppi density. So it has Corning Gorilla Glass. Gorilla Glass is actually very durable. It's already what is being used in most phones. And it runs on Android 9 Pie. At the back, you have 4 cameras. So 48MP, 8MP, 2MP. That's a dedicated macro camera and another 2MP with a depth sensor. It has an LED flash. It's able to take HDR and panorama shots as well. For the video, you can record up to 2160p with 30 FPS or 1080p up to 120 FPS. So maganda for slow-mo videos, guys. And then it has a gyro EIS. And for the selfie camera naman, 16MP, but it's also able to take HDR and panorama shots. I like that. You can record up to 180p at 30 FPS yung front camera. So the back camera is, you can do 1080p with up to 120 FPS. Pero sa front cam, up to 30 FPS only. So it has a loudspeaker. It still has an audio jack. I like that. It has a fingerprint sensor. It's another thing that I'm very fond of. Fingerprint sensor. Rear mounted. It has an accelerometer, gyrometer, and a compass as well. The battery again is 4035 milliampere hours. Fast charging 20 watts. And you can charge up to 50% already within 30 minutes. Super bilis. This is the crystal blue, but they also call the sparkling blue color. It's also available in green. Let's proceed to the unboxing. So aside from the unit itself and all the guides and the transparent crystal case, this is the fast charger. Ayan. VOOC. And it comes with a SIM ejection pin, of course, for our convenience. And the cable for charging and for data transfer. So it's USB-C siya, guys. This is the REALME 5 Pro with VOOC flash charge, 4 cameras, and a 48 MP camera. If you want to buy this, wait for the announcement of the release of the unit, sync around October. Ang presyo to be announced soon. I will put the link to the REALME flagship store down below. There you go, guys. That's my unboxing of the REALME 5 Pro. I hope that you found this unboxing helpful. Next time na yung first impressions and review, guys, because this is just a demo unit. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below so that when I do my first impressions and review, I can answer those questions. Follow me on social media, like my Facebook page, and guys, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell button, and share this with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!